Where does the name for Gabalfa come from? So today I'm in Cardiff, Caerdydd, and this area that I'm in now is called Gabalfa. Let's get into the name. The name is made of two parts. Firstly, Gabal, which is a soft mutation of Cabal, a dialectal form of Caebal, a small boat or ferry boat. It's ultimately borrowed from Latin Gaupulus, which meant the same thing. This was likely borrowed into Latin from Greek Gablis, which is a vessel or a pitcher. On top of this, there is then the suffix va, which means a place of. You can see it in other words, such as meddygfa, a doctor's place, or allanfa, an exit, literally a place of leaving. The name here comes from the name of a ferry across the river Taff, or the Afon Taf, which was roughly under where the school is now. The school is named Ysgol Glan Caebal after this origin, literally ferrybank school. For most of its history, it was a sparsely populated hamlet surrounding a ferry crossing, but was mostly developed in the 1880s with terrace housing as Cardiff expanded around the docks. So the name literally means the place of the boat, the ferry crossing. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.